This is Jim Todd, the Director of Space Science Education at OMSI, and we're going to come up to what we call the blue moon. And so coming up to Halloween as well, and give you some highlights of what we're going to be seeing for the Halloween event. And so first of all, we have two full moons in 1 month. And on October 1st, you might recall that we had a full harvest moon. And that very evening, as the moon was rising, it stayed pretty much orange for a while. And that's because there were a lot of dust and smoke that were still in the atmosphere. But coming up on Halloween, we have what's called the full hunter's moon. So wait a minute, it looks like we have two full moons in 1 month. Okay? And so this is a rare occurrence that we have two full moons in a single month. What does that mean? Well, for first, the October 31st, we have the hunter's moon. And it'll appear again, kind of an orangey color. And it rises at about 5:22 p.m. from the east. So you're getting ready for the trick-or-treaters to come. Look over toward the east. You'll see a nice moonrise over there. And so just a perfect setting, what we call a jack-o'-lantern. And then why is it orange? Because we're looking through more atmosphere and then the moon view from overhead. So more atmosphere means more dust and smoke and such, and that's why the moon appears to be orangey or champagne in color. So once in a blue moon occurs every 3 to 4 years, and that's when we have two full moons in a single month, and then we start to have that kind of a notion that the blue is going to be moon. It had nothing to do with the color. It started in 1937 with the Maine Farmer's Almanac. It was going color in their prints. And so the second full moon they put in there was blue. So ever since then, the blue moon started with the Farmer's Almanac. Okay? And that night, go out and take a look. And joining with the moon, we have the bright planets. Over there in the southwest, we have Jupiter and Saturn, 5 degrees apart. And all you have to do is look toward the south and you say, there's Jupiter. And then 5 degrees to the left will be Saturn. Then over there in the east, we have the near full moon. And just to the upper right is the planet Mars, a -2. And you won't see Mars this bright again for another 15 years. You'll see Mars again, but it won't be this bright for a long time. And so, talking about Halloween is actually an astronomical related event. We just passed the autumnal equinox on September 21st, heading for the winter solstice. Okay, so what did they do? They decided that Halloween would be one of those holidays that fits on what's called a crossover day, the midway point between the equinox and the solstice. The other crossover day includes Groundhog Day, and then we have in May for May Day, and then we have Lammas Day. And so each of those points or the halfway point between the equinox and the solstice. So that's how Halloween became an astronomical event. Oh, by the way, don't forget, also on Saturday night, turn your clock back 1 hour. So you get an extra hours to go out and view the nighttime sky.